Alright, so today we will be fixing a problem on my Jeep Wrangler. Let's see if you guys can spot it. As you can see, my door strap doesn't work anymore. This part has split open. You guys can see that. It's pretty bad actually. So, I'm just going to show you guys how to cut this one off and replace it with a new one. So the first thing we need to do is take off this panel right here. You guys can use like a trim tool, but I really don't care. So pop this out. Okay, I'll just throw that in the Jeep. And then you take out the two Phillips head screws that are in these holes. You open up the door handle or the door latch, pull off this cover here. Okay. Alright, to take off this screw, you're going to need a T20. Now you can slide this plastic cover off. Just comes off. Okay, set this to the side. Alright, so once you get that piece out, you need to go down here and take out this T20 screw. After you take out this screw, there'll be another screw right here. Now after you get that one, you just want to peel up on the door card, and they're just plastic tabs that hold in. Okay, takes a little bit of persuasion, but anyways, once you get that up, you just push up. Now this felt piece came out, and it's time to disconnect the lock door switches if you have them. If you don't have power doors, don't worry about it. And there's the door card that comes off. Also, there's this piece of felt that goes along the top. This is a good time to clean it all out. For now, I'm just going to put this back in place, just like that. Now let's talk about the door strap. So the next screws you're going to take out is this one right here. This is a T30 screw, and then there is one under it too, also T30. Okay. Now once that comes out, you can pull this footman loop out. You might want to hit it with another coat of paint because these like to rust a lot. Alright, so the next thing you need to look at is this right here. This is some Tessa tape, I believe. Could be electrical, not too sure. If you can find the end, that's great. But what I'm going to do is just cut into it. Now you want to be really careful you're not cutting into any wires. So I'll just make a little incision right there. And then you just want to go ahead and cut the rest of the strap off. Oh, fuck. Damn it. I just cut these off, so I'm going to have to resolder these. God damn it. I got this from Amazon, and pretty much it's just a zipper in here. Then you put your wires through here, and then you just zip it back up. Real easy, and this is where it hangs onto the footman loops inside of your Jeep. Pretty simple, and these are like, I think $15 or $20 on Amazon for the set. I only have to replace my driver's side today, so that's where I'm going to show you only one. I just resoldered all those wires, but pretty much it's time to cut off the rest of this. Okay, now that this is gone, I'm just going to take my new strap, unzip it, and I'm going to put the zipper inside of the door. So I'm going to feed this end through this way, like that. Alright, so now I'm just going to fasten the zipper, just kind of like a coat. Just put the zipper in, pull the zipper pull. Okay, make sure all the wires go in here. Okay, now I'm just going to get my footman loop here, insert it through, and then get my T30 screws. And just hand thread them in first to start. Okay, now these don't have a specific torque rating, just do it snug. It's right there. And let's give it a nice turn, pull it snug, make sure they're both tight. Alright, so first thing to do is connect your power windows. Just put that harness back in. Easy. Next thing you gotta do is line up this top slot inside that felt. Make sure the felt is seated properly. Okay, now after that, you need to start hitting in all these plastic tabs. Okay, now once you've done that, you need to put in the 2 screws at the bottom here. Okay, you got those 2 in. Now you put your 2 screws in the handle area. You get this piece right here. Put this in. 2 tabs that slide in through the back right here. Okay, now you just put in the screw that goes through this plate. Oh, I just dropped the screw in. Okay, so now the key is to not drop the screws inside of the door, or else you gotta take it all apart and get the screws back. Once you put that screw in, you can get the little access door plate thing, put that back into place. Just snaps in. Then you get this piece right here, and you're pretty much done. All you gotta do is hook in the strap to your footman loop inside of the Jeep, and you're done. Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoyed the really quick video on how to do this. Hopefully this helped. Like the video if it did help, and comment below any questions, comments, or concerns. I would love to help you guys. I do my best to respond to every comment. And yeah, so just don't cut the wires. Take your time. I have terrible patience, so patience, you gotta show patience is a virtue. So anyways, with that, to see you guys next week. Subscribe to the channel for more videos, and yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Peace.